Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest wellness trends to help you reach your health goals in just 6 months. Today we're diving into the future of wellness and how it can transform your life. In a world where self-care and well-being are becoming increasingly important, staying up to date with wellness trends is crucial in achieving your health goals. These trends focus on physical health and mental and emotional well-being, creating a comprehensive approach to overall wellness. The impact of wellness on our lives goes beyond just looking good on the outside. It significantly improves our overall well-being, from reducing stress and anxiety to boosting our energy levels and enhancing our quality of life. By incorporating these wellness trends into your daily routine, you can experience a positive shift in both your physical and mental health. Throughout this video, we will share valuable insights and tips on embracing these wellness trends to create a healthier and happier version of yourself. So get ready to be informed, inspired, and motivated to take charge of your well-being and reach your health goals in just 6 months. Let's embark on this wellness journey together. Setting health goals. As you embark on your 6-month wellness journey, you must understand how to set practical health goals to guide you toward a healthier lifestyle. To ensure success, it's crucial to follow the SMART criteria when setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Setting specific goals helps you clearly define what you want to achieve. For example, instead of saying, "I want to lose weight," a specific goal would be, "I want to lose 10 pounds in 6 months." This specificity provides a clear target to work towards. Measurable goals allow you to track your progress and stay motivated. You can measure your progress by tracking your weight, body measurements, or fitness levels. This tangible evidence of improvement can keep you motivated on your wellness journey. Achievable goals are realistic and within reach. Setting goals that are too ambitious can lead to frustration and burnout. Start with small, achievable steps that you can build upon as your progress. Relevant goals are aligned with your overall wellness objectives. For example, if your goal is to improve your cardiovascular health, setting a goal to run a 5K race in 6 months would be relevant to your objective. Time-bound goals have a deadline, creating a sense of urgency and accountability. Setting a time for your goals helps you stay focused and committed to your wellness journey. Setting SMART health goals can create a roadmap for success on your 6-month wellness journey. Exploring wellness trends. In the ever-evolving world of wellness, staying informed about the latest trends can be a game-changer in achieving your health goals within 6 months. Let's dive into some popular trends that are making waves in the wellness community and discover how they can support your journey to a healthier lifestyle. Intermittent fasting has gained popularity for its potential benefits in weight management, improved metabolism, and increased energy levels. By incorporating periods of fasting into your routine, you can regulate your eating patterns and potentially see positive changes in your overall well-being. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation and yoga, have been proven to reduce stress, enhance mental clarity, and promote emotional well-being. Functional fitness focuses on movements that mimic real-life activities, improving strength, flexibility, and mobility. Incorporating functional exercises into your workout routine can enhance your physical fitness and prevent injuries, supporting your overall well-being. When exploring wellness trends, it's essential to research and choose practices that align with your preferences and lifestyle. What works for one person may not work for another, so it's critical to find trends that resonate with you and that you can sustain in the long run. Stay curious and open-minded and discover the best trends for you on your wellness journey. Nutrition and diet strategies. Effective nutrition and diet strategies are crucial in optimizing health and supporting wellness journeys. By focusing on balanced meals, hydration, and nutrient-dense foods, you can fuel your body with the essential nutrients it needs to thrive. Balanced meals that include a variety of food groups, such as lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats, provide your body with a well-rounded source of nutrients. Ensuring that your meals are balanced can help you maintain energy levels, support your metabolism, and promote overall health. Drinking adequate water throughout the day can improve digestion, regulate body temperature, and enhance cognitive function. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to stay hydrated and energized. Incorporating nutrient-dense foods, such as leafy greens, berries, nuts, and lean proteins, can provide your body with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These foods nourish your body and support your immune system and overall well-being. Meal planning and mindful eating are essential practices in achieving your health goals. By planning your meals ahead of time, you can make healthier choices and avoid impulsive eating decisions. Mindful eating involves paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues, savoring each bite, and being present during meals to prevent overeating. Incorporate healthy eating habits into your daily routine. Prepare meals in advance, keep nutritious snacks on hand, and practice portion control. By making small, sustainable changes to your diet and lifestyle, you can optimize your health and support your wellness journey in the long term. Fitness and exercise routines. Staying active and energized is a key component of your wellness journey, and exploring diverse fitness and exercise routines can help you achieve your health goals while enjoying the process. Incorporating a mix of cardiovascular, strength training, and flexibility exercises into your routine can enhance your overall fitness levels and support your well-being. Cardiovascular exercises, such as running, cycling, or dancing, elevate your heart rate and improve your cardiovascular health. These activities burn calories, boost your metabolism, and increase your endurance and stamina, energizing you throughout the day. Strength training exercises like weightlifting or bodyweight exercises help build muscle strength, improve bone density, and enhance your overall body composition. Incorporating strength training into your routine can increase your metabolism, prevent injuries, and sculpt a lean and toned physique. Flexibility exercises such as yoga or stretching promote joint mobility, reduce muscle tension, and improve overall flexibility. These exercises can help prevent injuries, enhance your range of motion, and support your recovery after intense workouts. To sustain motivation and consistency in your fitness routine, you must find activities you enjoy and look forward to. Whether it's dancing, hiking, swimming, or practicing martial arts, discovering activities that bring you joy can make staying active feel like a rewarding experience rather than a chore. Consistency and gradual progression are key principles in maintaining a successful fitness routine. By prioritizing your physical well-being and incorporating a variety of exercises into your routine, you can stay active, energized, and motivated on your wellness journey. Deep breathing exercises, such as diaphragmatic breathing or box breathing, can help calm the nervous system, reduce tension, and promote relaxation. Incorporating deep breathing techniques into your daily routine can lower stress levels, improve sleep quality, and enhance your overall mental well-being. Stress management techniques, such as journaling, yoga, or engaging in hobbies, can help you cope with daily stressors and build resilience. Finding healthy outlets to manage stress can prevent burnout, improve your mood, and support your mental health throughout your wellness journey. It's essential to recognize that mental well-being plays a significant role in physical health and overall wellness. Chronic stress, anxiety, or negative thought patterns can impact your immune system, digestion, and cardiovascular health. By prioritizing your mental health, you can create a strong foundation for achieving your holistic health goals. Take time for yourself, practice self-compassion, and seek support when needed. Tracking progress and adjustments. Tracking your progress towards health goals is crucial for continuous improvement and success on your wellness journey. By monitoring metrics such as weight, measurements, and fitness levels, you can assess your progress, stay motivated, and make necessary adjustments to achieve your desired outcomes. Monitoring metrics like weight, body measurements, and fitness levels provides tangible data to track your progress and evaluate the effectiveness of your health goals. Regularly measuring these metrics allows you to identify trends, set benchmarks, and make informed decisions about your wellness journey. Celebrating small victories is essential for maintaining motivation and momentum toward your health goals. Whether reaching a fitness milestone, sticking to a healthy eating plan, or improving your flexibility, acknowledging and celebrating your achievements can boost your confidence and inspire you to continue making progress. Learning from setbacks and challenges is valuable to achieving your health goals. Setbacks are opportunities for growth and learning, allowing you to identify areas for improvement, adjust your strategies, and move forward with renewed determination. If a particular approach is not yielding the desired results, be open to adjusting your goals, revising your strategies, and exploring new avenues to progress toward your health objectives. By tracking your progress, celebrating victories, learning from setbacks, and making necessary adjustments, you can stay on course toward achieving your health goals and experiencing lasting improvements in your overall well-being. Remember, progress is a journey, and each step forward brings you closer to realizing your optimal health and wellness vision. It's crucial to prioritize self-care and commit to your wellness journey, making conscious choices that align with your health goals and values. We encourage you to act towards your health goals, starting today. Embrace the journey, stay consistent, and celebrate every step forward on your path to a healthier and happier you. Remember, slight changes can lead to significant transformations over time, so stay dedicated and motivated to reach your full potential. To stay connected and continue your wellness journey with us, We invite you to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, share them with others who may benefit, and explore related content for further inspiration and guidance. Together, let's empower ourselves to prioritize our well-being, make positive changes, and thrive in a life of health and vitality. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards holistic wellness.